Okay, it's William Jimmy. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're going to make a fruit search app, and in fact, a series of video. So first, we're going to make a basic search. So we can search for William Jimmy's favorite fruit, right? And you click here, you can search for it. Okay. So for example, I will search for. Let me just change it to English. Okay, I will change for P L E. So search down from all this list to apple and pineapple, and then I can say, for example, if it's a pineapple, and I believe how to spell pineapple? Pineapple, yeah. So I can search pineapple. So this is a basic search, and we're going to modify this to make it more, Swifty. So we also got a tab that we can change to enhanced search. So we got a fruit guide like this. So you can search by name or category, and we got multiple filter for our search. So for example, as you can see, we got apple, banana, orange, all that. We also got a nice symbol just before it. Okay, so just much nicer. This is really cool. Okay, so if you got enhanced search, and you can search for first, you can filter everything by just click here. So you can got this category like tropical food, right? I got mango, I got banana, right? And let's search for banana. Yeah, so we can search and filter it down to banana. Okay, and then you can search for, say, mango. Okay, so we got mango, and of course you can got like all here, right? And you can search for apple. So if you like click all, the apple and pineapple will be here. But if you want to like filter it down, you just need to add another like tropical. So tropical, apple, you got pineapple. Okay, so really fun project, and we're going to learn so much more than just what did you see. We're going to learn about the about the data and about the different filter and how to apply that to your data. And we're going to learn about SwiftUI's default search, so which is basically here, and we're going to make it more beautiful, more visually appealing, and make it more complex project. Okay, without further ado, let's get to it. So this will be the first video. Okay, so it's just a demo video. So in the next video, we're going to make a basic search app. Okay, see you next video. Bye.